This is the exact spot that I fell in love with manufacturing. Growing up till about the age of 7, this is the neighborhood I grew up in, South Lyon, Michigan. And my parents used to ride their 10-speed bikes right along here in one of those old school seats that you put behind a 10-speed. And I'd ask my parents to stop right here so I could look at this building, because there was something about this building that just fascinated me. I loved it. And then when I turned 5, back in those days, you could wander off and parents were okay with it. I used to ride my BMX bike, stop right here in this corner, prop my elbows up on my handlebars and just stare at this building and say, this is what I want. I want to be a manufacturer. I want to own a building like this. And I did that. In year 2000, I started Versatrans. We manufacture custom screen printed transfers, DTF transfers. I just love being a manufacturer and screen printer. And this is where it began, right here.